Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be fixing my little sister Hind's bike. This bike, all it needs is just an inner tube. So if you just get an inner tube, then maybe you can fix the bike. We have this slime, extra strong, self-sealing tube to fix the bike, and this is 20 inches. So here are my tools. I can use these, or I could use these. So I think I'm gonna use this one today. I already know which tool I need. It's this one right here. It fits perfectly onto here. And then this is how I will be undoing this one right here. Just like that. Just like that. And it's out. Very simple. Now you have to get the other side, which is right here. This screw and another screw on the side, but I think I can use the screw for the thing for this one because it's pretty loose. Put it right there, and then I think I need the big gun for this one. So let's just get it right here. Kids, don't try this at home. Just screw it in there. Okay. Now you have to do it slowly. Slowly, not too quick. Okay. I think if I did this correctly. Yep. There's a bolt right here. Take that out. There's another one right here. Take that out. And it's easy. And then the bike is over. Take out the chain and don't put it right here. You have to put it on the outside so it doesn't interfere with the other part. And then all you have to do, is lift the wheel out. So after you've taken out the outer tube, all you have to do is just get your hand and do like this. Do it slowly so you don't hurt yourself, and pinch it out. Bring it out like this. Do that across the whole tire. Just like that. Oh, and then it's out. After that, all you have to do is check the tire to see if it's dirty. I actually have a cloth to clean it. Look, you can see how dirty that is. So I'll just strut it through here, getting all the dirt. So after you clean this last bit, all you have to do is just put this aside and this aside too. This aside, and then I get this and this. Just clean it out like this. Oh, and also check if any of the spokes are coming through. And I don't see that around, so I'll just clean like that. Put this back down, and we have our slime. So we take out this slime self-sealing tube, and we unwrap it like this. Just peel it off. Now I've got that done, there's a little wrapper over here. We'll take this off, and we have our tube. And what you do with this is you get so what you have to do is that you have to inflate just slightly, so the inner tube can actually get in its shape right. So just like, remember, you have to inflate it slightly. Okay, so that's good. Take it out, and now with this inner tube, you have to take it and put it right in the hole where this is, but do it gently so the inner tube does not pop. So there's the hole. Put it in like that. So after you put the inner tube in the wheel like this, you have to put this in so just to be on the safe side. Then after that, you get the tire and you put it back on over here. So Well, do it carefully so the tire, the inner tube doesn't pop. And you want to just hang it on with this. Oh, phew. That was hard to put on. But we finally got it. So I'm just putting it around into the bike. Oh, and I'm done with that. And the reason I put on this green cap is so the tire doesn't come out anymore. And the tire actually looks bigger than it actually is, but it's just I'm losing. So I think after all you have to do is easily just put it back into place. Okay. After you try to put it back in here, remember guys, the chain has to be put into the right place so you can actually get in easier, like this. And you have to put the chain all the way back here and back onto the actual part. Oh wait, there's still a little part of it. And yep, it's on the part. So all we need now, before you put the big screw right here, you have to put this tiny little screw just like that. So you put it in like that, and then you start doing this. And then on the other side, there's a different type of screw where you have to put it into here, and it goes like this. So, and you also need this part to go right here to actually keep it still together. So you get the screw in through the holes, and you get this one in like that. Tie it in there. Tie this one. And then for the finale, there's these two big screws which you have to put here and here. So you get it like that. You get this, put it back on. Get that, tie it. That. Just like almost there. Just like, don't get to make it too tight. Just make it snug. Put the same screw on this side, and you start to tie it. Your hand until it gets too hard. Then do the rest with this. That's perfect. Just tight. Now the last thing we need to do is just to get the pump. So at the beginning, this bike looked a little big, but as you can see here, it says 20 times 1.5 to 2.125, and this one is 20 times 1.95. So that means we're good, and it fits. So all we have to do is just take out the green cap like this, like that, and then you get the pump and you push it in there, just like that. Like that. No, you have to. Oh wait. And I'm pumping. So have to pump the air. You feel for it, and yes, it is going more, getting more tight. So keep pumping. I think we're done trying to pump it up. Feels pretty tight. So how about we flip it over and take it out? Oh wait. How about we flip it over and take it out first? I fixed it for my sister free of charge. بالعربي كده ملح. So yeah, I'm a very nice brother. So I am just adjusting the seat for her, so you can have a good ride.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I really hope this works.
Me too. So the bike feels great, but let's see if it can ride great. This bike is amazing. It feels just like a bike that you buy from a store. This bike, it's like a dream. I would give this bike